Hey, this is Brian Lindley, Green Scene Home Inspections. We're looking at an older home, 1950s, but they put a brand new electrical panel and a brand new meter goes through the soffit like it's supposed to. Unfortunately, at the top up here, you can kind of see it goes through the trees a little bit, and then it runs down the side of the roof, and it's about 2 feet from me going through these trees. The connection there's the metal fence, and then it goes through the trees and back up into basically oblivion. Not 100% sure what's going on here, who installed these wires, but they're much too close to the ground, much too close to the roof, and much too close to me. I'm out. This is Brian, Green Scene Home Inspections. Have a great day.